Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows Defender updating definitions error. Copy URL from description and paste it. My system type is 64-bit, click 64-bit. Open download file. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Virus and Threat Protection is successfully updated. If same error still exists, second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. If any errors in second command, use third command. Copy third command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.